guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Limi. Today we are gonna be making a very delicious dish, Coca-Cola chicken wings. It tastes so amazing and it is also very easy to make. Here are the ingredients. Of course, 1 pound of chicken wings, and you will need some Coke. You can choose Coca-Cola or Pepsi or Dr. Pepper. I use Coca-Cola because it's my favorite, and you can use whatever Coke you like. And some salt, ground black pepper, sesame seed, soy sauce, cooking oil, 3 slices of ginger, and a small amount of chopped green onion. Let's get started.
This is a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and add another 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you just stir for a few seconds to mix them together. This is 1 pound of cleaned chicken wings. You add the ginger slices and mix the sauce to the chicken and mix around until each piece of chicken is covered by the sauce. If you are pressed for time, you can skip the marination. The result will still be great, but if you have the luxury, please do it. Marination helps tenderize the chicken. Now you put on a lid and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Preheat your frying pan and add 2 spoons of oil. Spread out in the pan. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. Carefully put the chicken wings in the pan one by one. Normally, I pan fry them on both sides over medium heat for about 5 minutes per side, with pan lid uncovered. Once the first 5 minutes is about over, the fried side should be in the golden brown color. Just flip the wings and continue frying them for another 5 minutes. After frying both sides for 5 minutes per side, wings are in golden brown color and it's already started to smell so delicious. Now put the leftover marinade in the pan to give chicken more salty flavor. Add a 1/4 cup of Coca-Cola and cover the lid. The steam inside the pan tenderizes the chicken. Turn the heat to medium-high to let sauce get reduced. It takes about 15 minutes or so to cook under the lid so that the wings can get softened and flavored. Once the sauce gets thick, it's almost done. Take off the lid and continue to cook until the sauce is like this. The last step of this recipe is to sprinkle some fresh green onion and white sesame seeds on top. It's optional and you can add the amount you like. It smells so appetizing. It's done! Ta-ta! It tastes perfect. Salty, sweet, and a bit of Coke flavor. The chicken is soft and full of the bone tender. With iced Coke, I cannot even stop.
Thanks for joining me for this recipe. If you enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. Also, please subscribe me for more. See you real soon. Bye.